So hi everyone, today we are going to install Python and set it up in VS Code. First open a browser and type Python. Now open the first website which is python.org. Once the website opens, go to download section. Here click on the download Python button. As soon as you click on it, the download will start automatically. After the download is completed, click on the downloaded file to open the setup. Now this step is very important. First check the option add Python to path. Then click on customize installation. Now here click on next. In the advanced options check install for all users. And also make sure add to environment variables is selected. Now click on install. The installation will begin. Once it is completed, click on close. To verify the installation, press Windows plus R, type cmd and press enter. In the command prompt, type python space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. If you see the Python version, this means Python has been successfully installed on your PC. Now let's set up Python in VS Code. If you don't have VS Code installed, you can watch our previous video on how to install it. So open VS Code. On the left side, click on Extensions tab. Here search for Python and install this Python extension, which is officially by Microsoft, by the way. After that, search for Code Runner and install it as well. Just click on yes, I trust the author and install. Now let's create a folder for our project. Go to desktop and create a new folder. Just name it anything you like. Now right click on the folder, click on show more options which is at the bottom and click on open with code. When VS Code asks, click on yes, I trust the authors. Now create a new file and make sure the file name ends with .py as it's a Python extension. Write a simple print statement. I just writing our channel name, by the way, and just save it by Ctrl plus S. And now just click on run button. If it asks for a default option, just select VS Code and click on always or just once as you wish. Now you can also run the program using terminal. Open the terminal and type Python and your file name. In my case, it's python.py. As you can see, we get our output successfully. Let's try another example. Just we are going to print hello world. And again Python and our file name which is python.py. And here we go. So this is how you can download, install and set up Python in VS Code.